Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Tata Altroz, one of India's most loved premium hatchbacks, now more refined, powerful, and feature-packed than ever before. If you're planning to buy a premium hatch this year or just love cars, stick around. We'll cover everything from design to engine options, features, and prices in detail. Let's begin with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Altroz retains its signature bold stance with a few modern tweaks. The front grille now sports a sleeker gloss black finish with a sharper chrome outline. The projector headlamps are now all LED with integrated DRLs, and the new diamond-cut 16-inch alloy wheels give it a premium vibe. The rear hasn't changed much, but the new smoked tail lamps and redesigned bumper bring a subtle aggression. It's a car that looks modern yet unmistakably Altroz. Under the hood, Tata continues to offer three engine options. First, the 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine delivering 88 PS of power and 115 Nm of torque. Perfect for city rides and daily commutes. Then there's the 1.2-litre turbo petrol I-Turbo, producing 110 PS and 140 Nm, ideal for those who enjoy a peppier drive. And lastly, the efficient 1.5-litre Evo-torque diesel engine, delivering 90 PS and 200 Nm, a solid pick for long-distance highway drives and fuel-conscious buyers. All engines are paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, but here's the big news. The 2025 Altroz now comes with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic, DCA, option for the petrol variants. It's smooth, responsive, and finally gives Altroz the modern transmission it needed to compete with rivals like the i20 and Baleno. When it comes to interiors, Tata has stepped up its game. The cabin feels premium with soft touch materials, a dual-tone black and beige finish, and a redesigned central console. The new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and it's now paired with a 7-inch fully digital instrument cluster, offering a connected, futuristic feel. Comfort is top-notch with ventilated front seats, a first in segment A, along with rear AC vents, a cooled glove box, push-button start, cruise control, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with controls. The Harman sound system is crisp and immersive, making every drive enjoyable. Safety-wise, the Altroz continues to lead. It holds a 5-star global NCAP rating for adult safety, and comes with features like dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, corner stability control, reverse parking camera, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. Higher variants also get ESP, hill hold control, and traction control, excellent additions for both city and highway driving. Let's talk numbers now. The 2025 Tata Altroz starts at approximately a superscript 16.80 lakh ex-showroom for the base petrol X variant. The I-Turbo variants begin around a superscript 19 lakh, and if you're going for the top-end XZA plus DCA Dark Edition, it can go up to a superscript 11.20 lakh. Diesel trims fall somewhere between a superscript 18.80 to a superscript 110.90 lakh, depending on the variant. In terms of ownership cost, Tata offers attractive service packages. The average annual maintenance cost is about a superscript 14,500 to a superscript 16,000, depending on the fuel type. Spare parts are reasonably priced. A front bumper costs around a superscript 12,500, headlamp units are around a superscript 13,800 each, and the clutch kit for the petrol variants is approximately a superscript 15,500. Tata's expanding service network and long-term reliability make it a smart buy for budget-conscious owners. So, is the 2025 Altroz worth your money? If you're looking for a hatchback that delivers on design, safety, features, and value, it's definitely one of the top contenders this year. With improved tech, the new DCA gearbox, and unbeatable build quality, Tata has really pushed the Altroz closer to perfection. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and ownership tips. Let us know in the comments which variant of the Altroz you'd pick, or if you'd choose a rival like the i20 or Baleno instead.